Adjusting the rivet gun for consistent results is a simple process. Leave the compressor's regulator set at 90 psi. Adjust the force of each blow with a dial at the base of the gun. Hold the rivet gun against a solid surface and pull the trigger to test. Adjust and repeat as necessary. Practice consistent trigger pulls so each rivet is hit the same number of times. Once set up correctly, each rivet will be set the same. Practice this technique and I guarantee you will have great results.